once we're in the air, you can plug everything back in.
Once again, we'd like to welcome you aboard JetBlue's Flight 711 with service to Las Vegas. My name is Yuri, and it's a pleasure to be working with Leslie in the front of the cabin. In the middle, we have Ashley and Jelena towards the aft. Our captain today is Brock Cherry, and he's assisted by First Officer Tyler Kin. Our flight time today will be 4 hours and 36 minutes. Your safety is our top priority, so we ask that you please pay attention to the in-flight crew members on the aisle while they demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. You can follow along with the safety information card in the seatbelt pocket. Federal law requires you to follow all light signs and information and placards posted on the aircraft, especially crew member instructions. Customers are encouraged to report any unwelcome or inappropriate behavior to a flight crew member. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the flat metal end into the buckle and pull on the strap to tighten. To release, just lift the top flap of the buckle. Please keep your seatbelt fastened low and tight across your lap even when the seatbelt sign is off, and have your seatbelt visible to the crew at all times. Your life vest is in a pouch under your seat as instructed by the crew. To open the pouch, remove the vest and put it over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist. Secure the buckle and pull on the strap to tighten. As you exit the aircraft, inflate the vest by pulling down firmly on the red tab so blowing into the tubes on both sides. Do not inflate your vest inside the aircraft. Your locator light on the shoulder will turn on automatically when in water. This Airbus A321 has 10 emergency exits, 2 doors in front, 4 window exits over the wings, 2 doors just aft of the wings, and 2 doors in the back. Each is equipped with an evacuation slide. The slide at the front and back of the aircraft can be detached and used as ramps. An additional ramp is located in this cabin. In the event of an emergency, remove personal belongings and proceed to the nearest exit. All exits are clearly marked with a sign overhead if necessary for floor level lighting to be illuminated aisle to direct you to the exit. Please take a moment now to locate your closest exit. Remember, it might be behind you. If there's a change in cabin pressure for oxygen mask, withdraw from overhead. Firmly put the mask towards you to start the flow of oxygen. Remove any face covering. Place the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. Put the elastic band around your head and tighten using the strap on both sides. Oxygen will be flowing even the back may not inflate. We ask that you please secure your own mask before assisting others. We'll let you know when the mask is no longer needed. If you have any questions about the safety features of this aircraft, please don't hesitate to ask. We'll be coming through the aisle one last time to check that we are ready for departure. Please make sure once again that your seatbelt is fastened, your seat back is upright, tray table is stored, no grand items are put away. Smoking, including the use of electronic cigarettes or vaping, is never allowed in any JetBlue flights, and tampering with, disabling, or destroying smoke detectors in aircraft restrooms is a federal offense and will result in a fine. This aircraft has 4 restrooms, one in the front of the cabin, 1 main cabin, and 2 in the back. Infant changing tables can be found in the forward restroom, mid-cabin restroom, and 1 of the bathrooms in the back. To avoid crowding the aisle, please wait at your seat until one of the restrooms becomes available. Please do not flush hand wipes or any down the toilet or leave them in your seatbelt pocket. All of our planes are equipped with free, unlimited high-speed Wi-Fi. To connect, select the FlyFi network, then go to www.flyfi.com and follow the prompts. You can also take a look at the seatbelt card. They have instruction on how you can connect. Making calls at any time while in flight, it is prohibited. This includes the use of VoIP, video conferencing service, and Wi-Fi calling. If you are planning to use your personal device to listen to music, watch a movie or videos, we ask that you please wear headphones. We'll be adjusting the main cabin light for departure. If you need it, there's a really light right above your seat. Thanks for your attention. We hope you enjoyed the JetBlue experience.